Kelly May is live right now to show you how you can protect your valuables in case of an emergency. Kelly.
Yeah, the best way to protect your things these days is to make sure you have a digital copy of everything you own. It's also one of the best ways to let insurance companies know what you've lost in the case of a tornado, a fire, or even a burglary. We found one app. It's called My Home Scrapbook. Basically, it helps you go through your home room by room and record all of the items you own. It also gives users some preparedness tips like what to do right after your home is damaged. What you store in the list you make on the app can be emailed out too, so you can access it somewhere other than your cell phone in case you lose service because of the weather. Insurance agents say in the case of an emergency, you already have to make a property list for your claims, but apps like this give you a better chance of getting everything back.
If you don't recall what you have, which is date of purchase, approximate replacement cost, the quantity, right down to the number of pairs of socks that you have, that claim gets closed within 6 months. It can be reopened, but it just makes the process so much easier.
The app was created by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, so it is free. If you want to download it, just go into your app store and search My Home Scrapbook. Live in Miamisburg tonight, Kelly May, ABC 22 News.